Hello, and welcome back to my amazing new channel. Today I will be making MINGORENG. But always remember, safety is #1 priority. Alright, so first we're going to need a pot. You can get yourselves one of these and off the stove. Then you're going to want to turn up the stove to a high heat. As you can see, that is very nice and high. Put some water in it. Now that's going to take a little while to boil, so with the power of movie magic, we're going to fast forward until when it's done. Whoops! That's way too far forward! I'm already done! Let's go a bit back in time. Now you're going to want to take your noodles, pour them off into the good old thingy thing. Give them a little toss, like they do in Japan. You're going to want to turn off the heat, just leave it there to rest for a split second. Now we're going to open the flavor packets. So I just left those right over here.
Bam, bam, right into the pot, beautiful top. Voila! There you have
it. That's how you make MINGORENG, folks. Come back next week for an amazing new tutorial and I'll show you how to wax your own asshole.